Hello everyone, my name is Shubhpreet and I took my IELTS General Training test and got 8 band. I am planning to go to Canada for better career opportunities. When I was researching about IELTS, I came to know that IDP it is the best and recommended center, and IELTS is the best test for study, work or migration purposes. The best thing about IELTS is its centers are available in almost all big cities. My highest score was in listening, it was 9, and in reading I got 8.5, and speaking and writing I got 7 each. So I think I got the best score in reading and listening because I switched my entertainment from regional language to English. I watched a lot of English web series and movies, and I am a book lover. I regularly read a book, but usually I got less time to read, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes before bed. But before my IELTS test, I regularly read for like 1 hour every day. I think those things helped me a lot. If I have to give advice to the future test givers, I would say don't trust any rumors. I know there are different rumors in the market about the IELTS test. Please don't trust them, and first research for yourself while you are preparing for the IELTS test, and then just follow the simple procedure. Prepare for your mock tests and understand the way IELTS test is conducted, and then prepare simply because it's a language test. You need to practice more and more. With that, you can do IELTS as smoothly as you can.